I said it on Thursday, and I was wrong. I thought Thursday and Friday, in terms of the volume we saw, the stock traded 130 million shares, which was ridiculous volume for Facebook, and I thought 160 that it held was a big level. Traded down to 149 today, as you alluded to, so I missed that one. But it came all the way back, and it's 160 now. And I'll still say the same thing. You know, Facebook will grow 22, 23% earnings growth, trades at 19, 20 times forward earnings. Valuation is reasonable. I don't think people are leaving. I don't think advertisers are leaving.
I don't think there's any choice, right? You have Google, you have Facebook. I think that advertisers are sort of locked and loaded. But I've been in and out of this trade, and it hasn't worked. I think it broke a technical level, 161.95. It's the March 20th low. And that, to me, means it's got to do a lot more work in technicals before you actually become a buying opportunity. Again, I would probably say the 200-day moving average, 172.80. Just to be safe, use that as support.
I would rather buy Facebook than Google. I think there's a lot more risk in Google, because if what we're looking at is peak centralization, the idea that all your data is going through one particular area, Google's just as vulnerable as Facebook, and I don't think people have figured that out yet. So if I were going to be, I'd be buying Facebook and selling Google.
I mean, Facebook's been underperforming for 2 years, well before this news. You now have news out. By the way, Baird has a report out that they're at least saying they've seen some decline in engagement since these headlines have hit. They've been doing surveys. People have been checking in. We've certainly been hearing from high-profile people that say they're deleting their accounts. Advertisers are not necessarily, we don't know where the regulation is going to go, but they may not get these hyper-targeted ads that they've been getting, that they've been paying a lot of money for. So to act like that Facebook's earnings are not going to be affected by this, I think it's crazy. Putting it at the same multiple, I think, is crazy. But the bigger question is, I think those companies out there who have data as their core asset that are also at risk, and which management teams are really taking the proper steps and which ones are offsides like Facebook's been.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.